Are you someone who uses a lot of devices or lives in a larger home where your regular Wi-Fi just doesn't cut it? Enter mesh Wi-Fi systems. These systems are popular for good reason. They eliminate dead zones and give you reliable coverage throughout your home. Whether you're gaming upstairs, streaming in the basement, or having a Zoom call in the backyard, a mesh system ensures you'll stay connected.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Melanie Merritt, Broadband Expert at BroadbandNow. In today's video, we'll review the best mesh Wi-Fi systems based on affordability, performance, value, longevity, and technology through our extensive testing. So stick around if you want to learn about our top picks and which one might be the right fit for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more in-depth reviews and guides on all things broadband. Now, let's dive in.
When choosing our favorite mesh routers, we focused on a few key factors. Mesh systems are typically more expensive than standard routers, so we selected options between $125 and $400 that offer great performance without breaking the bank. We prioritized routers capable of 1 gigabit per second speeds or higher, ensuring strong, reliable connections for activities like streaming or gaming. To ensure the best value, we balanced cost and performance, ensuring each model met its advertised capabilities. We also considered longevity, selecting models that will last 2 to 3 years and support backward compatibility, so users can expand their networks without replacing their entire system. While Wi-Fi 7 is emerging, we focused on Wi-Fi 6 and 6E models, which provide top-tier performance and compatibility for most modern households. Let's get into BroadbandNow's pick, the eero 6 Plus. This system offers an unbeatable combination of price, performance, and ease of use. For just $300, you get a 3-pack of routers that can cover up to 4,500 square feet. That's enough for most homes, and it supports up to 1 gigabits per second speeds with Wi-Fi 6 technology, which means faster data speeds, better handling of multiple devices, and better overall network performance. What makes the eero 6 Plus stand out? Setup is a breeze. You can have your entire home covered in minutes with the eero app. It walks you through each step, from where to place the nodes to how to connect devices. And for those of you who aren't tech savvy, that is a huge advantage. Other systems we've tested, like the Asus Zen Wi-Fi AX-XT8 and Netgear Orbi 750 series, have much more complex setups, which can be a headache if you just want a simple solution. Another thing we love about the eero 6 Plus is the affordability. You're getting 3 routers for the price that some competitors charge for just 2. This makes it the perfect choice for anyone who wants a high-quality mesh system without breaking the bank. Of course, it's not all perfect. The lack of a USB port might be a downside for those of you looking to connect external drives or printers directly to the network. And while the basic features are free, advanced features like parental controls and security tools do require an eero Plus subscription, which is an extra cost to consider. But overall, for most people, the eero 6 Plus is the best mesh Wi-Fi system you can get right now. Next up is our pick for those who want a more premium system, the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro. If you're invested in the Google ecosystem, this mesh system is a must-have. It works seamlessly with your Google Home devices, offering excellent integration for those who want to control their network with just their voice. And let's not forget the Wi-Fi 6E technology, which supports the new 6 GHz band for ultra-fast multi-gigabit speeds. It's capable of delivering speeds up to 5.4 gigabits per second. Yes, you heard that right, across a massive 6,600 square foot area. This makes it ideal for larger homes or anyone who wants the latest tech. We also need to discuss the design. The Nest Wi-Fi Pro units come in several colors, which might sound like a small detail, but they're actually designed to blend in with your home decor, so you don't have to hide them behind a bunch of furniture. They look more like decorative pieces than they do tech equipment. However, there are a couple of drawbacks. One, it's not backward compatible with older Google Nest devices, which could be a deal breaker if you're upgrading from a previous model. And 2, it's on the more expensive side, costing around $400 for a 3-pack if it's not discounted. But if speed and integration are what you're after, the Nest Wi-Fi Pro delivers some of the fastest and most reliable performance you'll find in the last year. Now the budget pick, the TP-Link Deco S4. At around $100, the Deco S4 is significantly cheaper than our other top picks. But don't let that fool you, it's still a strong performer. It may not have the Wi-Fi 6E capabilities like the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro, but it does support Wi-Fi 6, which means you're still getting solid performance for everyday use. In fact, the Deco S4 managed to deliver consistent speeds in our tests and covers up to 5,600 square feet. One standout feature is the built-in parental controls, which you'd have to pay extra for with systems like the eero 6 Plus. These allow you to manage screen time, filter content, and even pause the internet on specific devices, which can be a lifesaver if you've got kids like I do, or if you just want more control over your network. There are some trade-offs though. This setup isn't quite as user-friendly as the eero 6 Plus, and it doesn't support the 6 GHz band for newer Wi-Fi 6E devices. You might also notice some slowdown at the edge of its range, especially if you're outside the house. But if you're looking for a solid, affordable option to improve your Wi-Fi coverage, the TP-Link Deco S4 is a fantastic choice.
Why should you consider a mesh Wi-Fi system? Here are a few reasons. If you live in a large house or have multiple floors, you've probably experienced dead zones. I know I have, where your Wi-Fi just doesn't reach. Regular routers have a limited range, and their signal can get blocked by thick walls, floors, and even metal appliances. A mesh system, however, can cover up to thousands of square feet, ensuring reliable Wi-Fi in every corner of your home. And it's not just about coverage. A mesh Wi-Fi system is essential if you've got a lot of smart devices, like security cameras, smart speakers, or even Wi-Fi enabled light bulbs. When you have more devices than your regular router can handle, things can get slow. But mesh systems are built to handle a ton of connections while maintaining speed and stability.
To test our top mesh router picks, we set up a real-world testing environment in a 3-story, 1,600 square foot home, simulating a typical household with a variety of Wi-Fi devices. Instead of a controlled lab setting, we tested routers in real-life conditions, measuring how well they could handle multiple floors, walls, and a range of devices from smartphones to game consoles. We used a 1 gigabit per second fiber internet connection and conducted tests at 4 key locations throughout the home to assess speed, range, and latency under both normal and busy environments. Our testing involved both Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6 6E devices, giving us a clear picture of performance across different generations of tech. Each router was tested individually to gauge its capabilities, and we ran speed tests at various distances, ensuring we accounted for obstacles like walls and floors. We also examined how well the routers manage latency, which impacts activities like streaming and gaming. This real-world approach gave us a comprehensive understanding of how these routers perform in day-to-day scenarios. For Wi-Fi 5 devices, we tested each mesh router using our Wi-Fi 5 laptop in both test environments. Here's what we found. The eero 6 Plus excelled in speed in a normal environment as long as there wasn't excessive traffic on the network. The Deco S4 had consistent results at each location and handled the busy environment the best, with the only mesh router to exceed 200 megabits per second at the farthest location. Finally, the Nest Wi-Fi Pro struggled with Wi-Fi devices regardless of whether or not the environment was busy. As for Wi-Fi 6 devices, we used a Google Pixel 6 Pro with Wi-Fi 6E capabilities to see how the mesh routers fared on newer devices, especially on the 6 GHz frequency band. Surprising no one, the Nest Wi-Fi Pro produced unrivaled speeds in a normal and busy environment. Wi-Fi 6 devices generally struggled to receive signals at farther distances, barely reaching over 100 megs per second. Lastly, we found that the mesh router was more likely to revert to the 2.4 GHz frequency instead of the 5 GHz frequency the farther we were, so we experienced a dip in performance and connectivity. Our final test was for latency, also known as ping. For these routers, we focused on download ping. We found that the Deco S4 had the best latencies across all tests, reaching only 203 milliseconds at the farthest distance in the Wi-Fi 6 test and 66 milliseconds in the Wi-Fi 5 test. The Nest Wi-Fi Pro exhibited higher latencies on Wi-Fi 5 because it focuses on Wi-Fi 6E. It resulted in download pings north of 200 milliseconds. As for the eero 6 Plus, it produced higher latencies on Wi-Fi 6, reaching a high ping of 358 milliseconds on the Wi-Fi 6 tests. If none of these mesh Wi-Fi systems fit your needs, here are a few other options worth considering. The TP-Link Deco XE75 offers Wi-Fi 6E and covers up to 7,200 square feet, but it comes with a higher price tag. The Asus Zen Wi-Fi AX XT8 is another solid choice, especially if you want 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet ports, but its 2-pack might not provide enough coverage for larger homes. And finally, there's the eero Pro 6, which is a bit more powerful than the eero 6 Plus, but also a bit more expensive.
To wrap up, here's a quick recap of our top mesh router picks. First, we have the eero 6 Plus, which excels in speed and performance, especially in a normal environment, making it a great choice for homes with multiple devices. Next is the TP-Link Deco S4, renowned for its consistent results and impressive ability to handle busy networks, proving it to be the best option for families with high internet demands. Lastly, the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro, which offers unmatched speeds through Wi-Fi 6E, although it struggles with older Wi-Fi 5 devices. Each of these bring unique strengths to the table, catering to different needs and preferences. Investing in a quality mesh router can significantly enhance your home network, providing seamless connectivity and reliable performance for all your devices. With our rigorous testing and careful selection criteria, we've highlighted the best options available, ensuring you can find a system that fits your needs and your budget. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, gaming online, or working from home, the right mesh router can transform your internet experience. We hope our insights help you make an informed decision, allowing you to enjoy a fast, stable, and uninterrupted internet connection throughout your home. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Read our full guide on BroadbandNow.com. The link is in the description. Turn on those notifications so you don't miss out. We'll see you next time.